Hello everyone, my name is Sonam Sandhu and today I am here with an amazing video. I am basically calling it amazing because it really helped me when I was preparing for IELTS. So that particular time I was always confused what all connectors should I use when it comes to writing task 2 and writing task 1. I was somehow bewildered at times that this is not the right one, this is the right one, what should I use, what next? I was getting confused and at times I used to forget it, like what is happening now, what should I use next? So what? I basically developed an idea, and this is something which I came up with this idea when I was teaching my students. I remember there was a session when I was teaching my students, and that particular time I came up with this idea and it really helped me. So guys, I'll just tell you one thing, this is a foolproof idea because देखिए, practically speaking my ideas are lengthy, okay, the way I explain the strategies I give you, at times they are lengthy, but these lengthy techniques are foolproof. I do not believe in tips and tricks. I believe in 100% surety. So for surety, we need to give you proper explanation. So this is something which I'll be doing in today's video. Watch the video till the end. It will be very helpful for each and every student who is unable to get a good band score in writing exam. So I'll say there are students who are unable to get 7. So what all do they need to do? So this is one of the things which they really should do, which they really should implement in order to get a good band score. And for the students who are not even able to get 6, then also they should do this. Complex sentences, if I talk about, are very important when it comes to essay writing or be it letter writing, because what is happening, they do not want us to write simple sentences, because even a 4th class student or a 2nd class student can write simple sentences. It is an IELTS examination. They want us to judge. They are actually judging us on the basis of knowledge we have, on the basis of grammatical accuracy. So what will I suggest here is related to connectors. Okay, so I made it a point whenever I used to write the essay, and that too I was always aiming for like 7.5. So for that, what I used to do, I actually noted down these connectors and I made it a point that I'll use each and every connector in my essay. Okay, and this really helped me. That day onwards, I never faced any problem in number of complex sentences I was writing. So this is something which really helped. So let us discuss it one by one. But before discussing, you should consider what exactly it is. The first one is bands. You remember when we were doing trigonometry in school, so teachers must have given you one trick or the other. So here is this rule only, bands brew. याद रखो बस इस word को, it is bands brew. And what does it mean? It doesn't mean specifically anything. You just need to memorize it for the number of complex sentences you write in any essay. So this is what I implemented and I got the score as well. So basically here talking about B. So for B, we'll be using besides this. This is the connector we'll be using. And this is used whenever we have to explain some other idea. Let's say they have asked us to write 2 advantages or 2 disadvantages. So we have already explained one advantage. Now we are planning to start another, and for that we'll be writing besides this. Okay, another like this. It is although. Now this is a very useful word and it can be used in conclusion. Make it a point whenever you are explaining, whenever you are writing conclusion, you can use this word. In conclusion, although the problem has been rising at a rapid pace, although pollution has been increasing at a rapid pace, comma, it can be eradicated with few remedies. So basically it can be eradicated with few remedies. It can be rectified with certain measures, with few measures. So this is the way we have explained, although conclusion mein use karna hai. Guys, basically for the connectors, I actually have a separate video. I'll put the link on the screen so that you can go through that video as well. Here I'm explaining you the rules so that you can remember all these words. Okay.